Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue to push west on US Highway 90, beginning at the unincorporated community of Raywood in Liberty County. It should be noted that the highest speed limit on US 90 in Liberty County is 65 miles per hour. We enter the city of Ames, which has a population of 1,093. Once known as Rayshall Station after pioneer Darius Rayshall, Ames was renamed for a section foreman on the Texas and New Orleans Railroad. The community had a flag station during the Civil War and a full station by 1890. A local Catholic rectory was built in 1915. Ames had a population of 25 in 1930. The county set up a new voting box there in 1945. In 1972, Ames voters incorporated their town by a margin of 69-8. During the mid-1970s, the town's population was estimated at 350, and by 1980, Ames had 1,155 residents and an array of businesses. The population was 989 in 1990 and grew to 1,079 in 2000. We enter the city of Liberty, county seat of Liberty County, and the third oldest town in Texas, established in 1831 on the banks of the Trinity River. Liberty has a population of 9,175. Texas heroes William B. Travis, Sam Houston, and David Burnett all practiced law in Liberty. 3 brothers from Liberty died at the Alamo, while some 50 Liberty citizens fought in the Battle of San Jacinto in 1836 when Texas won its independence. Here, Texas State Highway 146 South runs concurrent with US-90 for the next 7.6 miles. Texas Highway 146 can be seen in an earlier special video we released in May of 2018 about the Fred Hartman Bridge in Baytown. We enter the city of Dayton, Texas, which has a population of 7,734. Dayton was first called West Liberty and was considered part of the original town of Liberty founded in 1831. The Trinity River divided the two parts of the town. Liberty was on its east bank and West Liberty was on a hill 3 miles west of the river. A new road and a ferry directly connected the two. Both parts of the town were located on the 4-league Mexican land grant appropriated for the capital of the old municipality of Santísima Trinidad de la Libertad, which later became known as Liberty. Sometime after 1854, West Liberty also became known as Daystown for I.C. Day, a wealthy landowner who resided just to the south of the town on the Munson League. The flag stop for the Texas and New Orleans Railroad, completed in 1860, was known variously as West Liberty, Days Station, and Dayton Station. The name Dayton was applied to the local post office in 1877, though the official name of the town remained West Liberty until the mid-1880s. In 1885, Dayton reported a population of 60, and in 1890, a post office, a school, and 2 churches served as 239 residents. The single-room schoolhouse has been preserved by the Historical Society. Dayton is a meeting point of 2 rail lines. One is a north-south Union Pacific line that comes out of Baytown, called the UP Baytown Subdivision. The other is the east-west UP Lafayette Subdivision line that roughly follows US-90. The BNSF has authority to operate its trains on the Baytown Subdivision from Dayton to just west of Baytown and has a rail yard just south of Dayton. Another rail line runs through the northern edge of the city called the UP Beaumont Subdivision. We conclude today's video at Cedar Creek, where US-90 crosses into Harris County. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.